Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
We've got an exciting one right here. It's a 1970 Roadrunner. If you haven't noticed, the colors are outstanding, blue with a white interior, and it only gets better. 440, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes under the hood. There's a pistol grip 4-speed sticking out of the floor, rally gauges in the dash. 595 miles on a ground-up restoration. This is a killer Roadrunner. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures. That's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars we have for sale at volocars.com. If you like watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. That's just ultimate. I mean, this car is just amazing. Underneath the car is completely restored. The floors front to back, frame rails, everything looks to be really nicely done. If they put in any new floor pans or anything, they did it right. They knew what they were doing. And it's got a light coat of black undercoat. Looks really nice and fresh. The front end suspension and steering's completely rebuilt. The spindles and everything looks new. The bushings, the shocks, the components. It's not just new bushings and some old rusty parts. It all painted and just looks like new. The rear suspension, the leaf springs, the bushings, that's all new. The shocks are new. The brake system's been all rebuilt. It has disc brakes in the front, new brake lines, new fuel system, the tank, the straps. They even bought the insulators to go under the straps, the fuel lines, the sending unit, that's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's still super nice and clean. It has a 4-speed transmission. The rear end's all nice and painted. So the whole bottom of the car looks like it's freshly restored. Everything looks proper. I think I remember seeing the emergency brake cables were hooked up. And it has a dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. It sounds great. You'll hear it in just a few minutes. The body is absolutely straight. It fits beautifully. The gaps here, smooth and flush. The black stripes painted on real nicely. There's no marks or flaws in that. The metal flake is all laid out real nice, very glossy. This has the dust trail decal. You got the Roadrunner with his little trail of dust, and it is reflective. I can kind of see where the light's hitting it. You put a light on that at night, it just lights up. But getting back to the paint, it's nice and deep. Looks like I can reach right into it. It's glossy. Everything's fitting real nice. Has the Penn-Star emblem down here like it's supposed to. Completely smooth, no damage, no blisters. Down here, if you look for it, there is an Audi. There must have been something in the trunk that slid over and left a little boom and did star the paint right there. This is all in really nice shape. Has the black stripe across the back, says Roadrunner. Absolutely straight. This is a big, wide panel. There's no ripples, no dents. This is all just as nice as the other side. No bubbles or blisters. This is excellent. The glass in the car, all new, soft tinted glass, crystal clear. Even the back window, all new glass. The vinyl top has been replaced. All this stainless trim looks like it's brand new because it's all straight and shiny. The vent window frame is beautiful bright chrome. The rubber, new. The gaskets are new. It says 440 inside here. The grille, excellent shape. There's some handprints on the bumper here, but the chrome's beautiful. The rub strips, the lenses, the whole front end of the car is in really nice shape. The correct antenna must be new because it's like pristine. Got dual mirrors. This is all just as good as the other side. New chrome handle. 15-inch rallye wheels. I assume they're new because they look like it. BF Goodrich tires. Look at the door jamb, new cadmium plated latch, new weather strips and grommets. That's excellent. The felt right here is new. And it's all white interior, and it's a crisp, new, fresh white. The metal is painted the same color, so it all matches real nice. Inside the trunk, all clean metal. It's all painted blue. Just as glossy and wet looking under the lid. The jamb is slick. Weather strip is new. The latch looks new. The housings are clean. The wiring looks new. The trunk mat is new. There is a jack. Honestly, I don't know what's in the box right there. I'll find out later. So the upholstery, the cushions feel good. All new seat belts. The armrest bases, the steering wheel is really nice. The whole dash, the whole instrument panel looks new. The knobs, the gauges, the clock is ticking, it has a tachometer, factory AM radio, factory air conditioning set up there. Got new carpet, it has Roadrunner floor mats. The back floor mats say beep beep. And the beep beep horn does work. I'll demonstrate that as soon as I start it. Show quality motor compartment. The engine bay is gorgeous. It looks like it's clean, straight, square, and it's all glossy. We have the original fender tag. The battery's bolted down. It's a new battery. New power brake system. Everything on the firewall looks new. The wiper motor. The engine itself is clean. Has a washer bottle hooked up. Has a fan shroud. Really nice motor compartment. Has hood insulation. Has power steering. Dome light is working. So why don't we start it up here? I'm really impressed. Yeah, the seat cushions feel real nice. What's not to love about this car? That's awesome. New glove box liner. Oh, it has 710 miles on the restoration. Even the front jambs are glossy. I'll be honest with you, I was kind of winging it. I've been really busy. I was supposed to do my research on this car. I did what I could, but this is really nice. The more I'm looking at this car, the detail, I didn't know it had all new glass. The dash is beautiful. It's a really nice car. And desirability, come on, the colors, a 440 or the 4-speed, that's killer. It is a real Roadrunner car. It was a 383, so it was upgraded to a 440. But nonetheless, super desirable. The motor is dated correct. It's a really late 69 cast block, so it would be correct for a 70 car. Wheel well moldings look new. Anyway, I'm very impressed with this one. That's my impression. If you go to volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact the salesman. Feel free to ask them any questions or concerns you might have. They can get this delivered to any driveway in the country. They can get you financed. So volocars.com to get started. If you just like watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.